Have you ever wondered if the secret to everlasting health could be hiding in your glass of water? What if I told you there's a type of water that claims to do just that? Stay tuned as we dive into the world of alkaline water and discuss its various benefits and how we can make it. In today's wellness-focused world, alkaline water has become a beacon of hope for many seeking the elixir of good health. With promises ranging from detoxifying the body to preventing chronic diseases, it's no wonder why many have turned their taps in the hope of tapping into these benefits. But what really lies behind these claims? Is alkaline water the key to optimal health, or just another drop in the ocean of wellness trends? Let's quench our thirst for knowledge and uncover the truth. What is alkaline water? In a world where staying hydrated is part of our daily mantra, not all water is created equal. Enter alkaline water, a variant that's sparking conversations and curiosity. But what exactly sets it apart from the tap water we've always known? Alkaline water is not your ordinary H2O. It boasts a higher pH level than regular drinking water, which typically hovers around neutral on the pH scale. While the pH scale ranges from 0, highly acidic, to 14, highly alkaline. Alkaline water typically falls between 8 and 9. This shift towards alkalinity is what gives it a unique profile, promising a slew of health benefits that have caught the eye of health enthusiasts around the globe. Impact. But why does this matter? The science behind alkaline water suggests that its elevated pH can help neutralize the acid in your bloodstream, which is believed to offer various health advantages, from better hydration to potential disease prevention. Understanding this basic distinction is the first step in demystifying the health claims surrounding alkaline water and exploring whether it's the wellness elixir it's made out to be. The benefits of alkaline water. As we go further into the depths of alkaline water's promises, it's time to examine the oasis of benefits it claims to offer. From acting as a hydrating elixir to boasting beautifying properties, alkaline water has been lauded for its potential to elevate our health. But how much of this is an oasis, and how much is a mirage? Number 1. Improved hydration. Advocates suggest that the smaller molecular content of alkaline water allows for easier absorption by the body, leading to superior hydration compared to regular water. This can be particularly beneficial during intense exercise or in hot climates where dehydration risks are higher. Number 2. Better skin health. By promoting hydration and helping to detoxify the body, alkaline water is believed to contribute to healthier, more radiant skin. The logic is straightforward. Better hydration equals a more moisturized, clearer complexion. Number 3. Balancing body's pH levels. The modern diet, rich in acidic foods, can disrupt our body's natural pH balance, leading to health issues. Alkaline water is claimed to counteract this acidity, helping to restore and maintain a healthier, more balanced internal environment. Each of these benefits, if proven true, could significantly impact one's health and overall well-being. Improved hydration can enhance physical performance and cognitive function, while better skin health can boost confidence and protect against environmental damage. Meanwhile, balancing the body's pH levels may contribute to longer-term health benefits, including a reduced risk of certain chronic diseases. Separating fact from fiction. In a world awash with health trends and miracle cures, it's vital to navigate the waters of alkaline water claims with a critical eye. As we dissect the scientific evidence, both supporting and challenging the health benefits of alkaline water, our goal is to distill the truth, helping you to make an informed choice about this controversial elixir. Number 1. Examining the evidence. Several studies have dived into the claims surrounding alkaline water, yielding a spectrum of results. For instance, some research suggests mild improvements in hydration and blood viscosity, which affects blood flow, especially after strenuous activities. However, these studies often involve small sample sizes and short durations, casting a shadow of doubt over their conclusions. Number 2. Challenging the claims. On the flip side, many health experts and comprehensive reviews caution against the sweeping health claims made about alkaline water. They argue that the human body is adept at regulating its pH level, regardless of the alkalinity of the water consumed. Furthermore, they point out the lack of long-term, large-scale studies proving the supposed benefits of alkaline water over standard drinking water. Number 3. The placebo effect. It's also important to consider the placebo effect. A person might feel better after drinking alkaline water simply because they believe it will work, not necessarily because of the water's inherent properties. This critical examination underscores the complexity of separating fact from fiction in the realm of health and wellness. While alkaline water might offer certain benefits under specific conditions, the overarching narrative requires a more nuanced understanding. It reminds us of the importance of rigorous scientific validation before embracing health trends wholeheartedly. As we navigate through the claims and counterclaims about alkaline water, the key takeaway is the need for more comprehensive, long-term studies to truly understand its impact on health. In the meantime, it's wise to approach alkaline water as one component of a holistic approach to well-being, rather than a standalone miracle cure. This section aims to provide a balanced critique of the claims surrounding alkaline water, highlighting the importance of skepticism and the need for further research in the health and wellness space. It sets the stage for a practical exploration of alkaline water in everyday life, ensuring the viewer is well informed and prepared to make personal health decisions. As we have discussed everything about alkaline water, its facts and benefits, you might be eager to test these waters yourself. Fortunately, creating alkaline water at home is straightforward, allowing you to dip into its potential benefits without making waves in your budget. Let us dive into this, another section of our video, and see how we can make this alkaline water. Step-by-step guide. 1. Using baking soda. Baking soda is naturally high in alkalinity, with a pH level of 9. For a quick alkaline water fix, you can dissolve about half a teaspoon of baking soda into a gallon, about 378 liters, of water. Shake or stir vigorously to ensure it's fully dissolved. Impact. This method is an easy and inexpensive way to increase the alkalinity of your water, letting you experience alkaline water without the need for expensive machines or bottled options. 2. Lemon method. Detail. Ironically, lemons, though naturally acidic, create alkaline byproducts once metabolized. Adding a few slices of lemon to a pitcher of water and letting it sit for 8 to 12 hours at room temperature or overnight in the refrigerator can slightly increase its alkalinity. Impact. This method not only potentially increases the water's alkalinity, but also enriches it with vitamin C, offering a refreshing and healthy twist to your hydration routine. 3. pH drops. Detail. pH drops contain highly concentrated alkaline minerals. Following the package instructions, you can add these drops to your water to quickly adjust its pH level. Impact. pH drops offer a convenient and portable solution for alkalizing water, perfect for those on the go who wish to maintain their alkaline water regimen. Also, let us take into consideration some safety measures as well, as we surely don't want to harm ourselves in any way during this process. While experimenting with alkaline water at home can be a fun and educational experience, it's crucial to approach it with caution. Over-alkalizing your water can disrupt your body's natural pH balance, leading to potential health issues. Always start with small adjustments and consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Equipped with these simple methods, you're now ready to explore the world of alkaline water from the comfort of your home. Whether you're seeking improved hydration, a new addition to your wellness routine, or simply curious about the taste, making alkaline water yourself is a safe, cost-effective way to engage with this health trend. As we've journeyed through the exploration of alkaline water, from its scientific underpinnings to practical DIY methods, it's clear that personal health is a dynamic voyage. Whether or not alkaline water becomes a staple in your wellness toolkit, staying informed and open to experimentation is key to navigating your path to optimal health. As we journey through the maze of health and wellness trends, it's clear that alkaline water stands out for many reasons. While it offers intriguing benefits, understanding the science behind it and recognizing the need for more research is crucial. Whether alkaline water is a miracle elixir or not, Staying informed and making health decisions based on credible information is key to our well-being. If you're curious about how alkaline water might benefit you, why not give it a try? Remember, the best health strategy is one that combines knowledge with action. So, grab a glass and let's toast to your health. That's a wrap for today's video, where we discovered some of the benefits of alkaline water and also discussed some of its interesting facts and ways to make it. I hope you benefited from today's video. If you did, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell to get updates as soon as we post a new informative video. Thanks for tuning in, and I really hope this video inspires you to give hydrogen water a try and see the positive changes it can bring to your health.